So what's up, guys? Bike Life K. It's my first video, a bike check video, you know. So let's get into this video. So first part is the Odyssey, pink Odyssey pedals. Those did not come with the bike. I actually put them on. And SE bike pegs, those obviously came with the bike because it's a BMX wheelie bike. Spoke skins, Amazon, and yeah, pause. Alright, back to the video. It's the same cable brake line shit. I don't even know. But I just put the spoke skin on top. And this thing, I forgot what it's called. It came with it. The ODI grips, those did not come with the bike. I actually put them on. Brake Honda, I put that on. Now these, the most important part of my bike, is probably the Maxxis tires. Those really help you really, especially swerving. I was thinking change to thick slicks, but people told me not, so I just didn't do it. The seat clamp, I put it on. It was actually the champ clamp, but I just painted it pink. And SE bike seat, the original one, this did not come with the bike. I actually put it on. I got it like a week ago, I think. And yeah, I'm planning on getting cool stuffs, but I don't know, because my brakes are really squeaky. I don't know if I should or not. And obviously the nicest part, the reflex stickers, Blockstar reflex stickers. I think it's a 32 sprocket or 36. I do not know. Next video is probably gonna be a ride out, or it's probably gonna be me putting on a new pink chain that I got, an MTB, a mountain bike chain. I just gotta cut it. And yeah. I actually got these things. I just got them on Amazon for like $1. I got the bandana for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I got this, they gave them to me at school. And this thing. And the wristband. Yeah, that's it. And plus, I got the landing gear sticker. It's not a reflex. I just got it on Amazon. I think it's not a real one. I don't know. And yeah. Peace out. Yeah, bro, it's windy. Oh my god. But yeah, next part of the video, towards the end, I'm gonna just put some clips in. I don't even know if I can, because it's mad dark out. But
get a bitch and make her famous, next minute she block me. 30 in this perk and need to slow down on the Roxy. Gotta